unable to install updates. It is a common issue faced by iPhone users when they're trying to install the update on their devices, and there might be many reasons for this. So currently it is happening with your iOS 15.4 beta 3 version. So now how to fix this, okay, regarding your beta versions or beta updates. So let's start. First of all, the first solution, always remember that, okay, for installing updates we need a good network, and here updates work on Wi-Fi network. So make sure that whichever network you're connecting, whichever Wi-Fi network you have, okay, it should be good and very strong network. So make sure that it is a good network, okay, have a good internet speed for the update. Even though, okay, still there is the issue even after the good network, then do one thing, just disable your Wi-Fi, okay, just enable airplane mode, okay, then you can go back to the network, reconnect your Wi-Fi network and try doing that again. So basically doing this might fix any issues regarding your Wi-Fi network, okay, and you can reconnect your devices with the Wi-Fi network and fix the issue. So here after this still there is the issue, then comes the next step. So always remember that whenever there is a issue or a glitch with your iPhone, always reboot your device, okay, or restart your device. For that there are two ways. First of all, go to settings, go to general, and in general scroll down till the last option, that is your shutdown. Like that you can shut down your devices and you can reboot your iPhone. And second way of doing that is pressing your volume down button and power button at the same time, okay, to get the shutdown option. That can be done, and in that way you can shut down and reboot your device with a simple step. So after rebooting you can go and check for update, it might fix the issue. But even if there is still there is a issue, then you can try the third step, that is removing and adding the beta profile. For that do one thing, go to settings, open general, and in general go to VPN and device management, and here in your option you get to see a iOS 15 beta profile, right? Just open that and click on remove profile. After you tap on remove profile, it will ask for a passcode. Enter the passcode and it will reboot your device automatically, okay. After that do one thing, reinstall the beta profile just the way you installed earlier, and after reinstalling the beta profile, go and check for iOS beta profile or beta updates. That might fix the issue and you might get the update, okay. If there is any issue with the beta profile, it will be cleared because you are installing the new beta profile on your device. So just try removing and adding the beta profile on device at a one time. And now the last one, the last step you can try is that resetting the network settings. For that go to settings, open general and scroll down until you find transfer and reset iPhone, okay. Open that and here click on reset, and here you will get an option called reset network setting, okay. Choose that, enter the passcode and it will reboot your device. So basically resetting network settings will remove all the custom or modified networks on your devices, okay. It will clear everything regarding network on your device. So after that, after rebooting, whenever you're trying to connect your Wi-Fi network, it will be a fresh network connection, okay. Enter the password and it will connect your device to a Wi-Fi network. So if there is any glitch, bug regarding your network issues, it will be cleared after the resetting. And after that you can try connecting a Wi-Fi network. After that you can try checking for update and it might fix the issue if there is any issue regarding your Wi-Fi or network glitches.